Hi everyone, welcome to LearnLab. Have you ever wondered how some websites magically appear at the top of Google search results? It's not magic, it's SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, SEO is the process of improving your website so that it shows up more often in search engine results when people look for what you offer. Why does this matter? Because showing up on the first page of Google means more people can find you, visit your site, and potentially become your customers. Today, we're going to demystify SEO and give you a complete beginner's guide to get you started on the right path. So, how do search engines like Google actually work? It's a three-step process: crawling, indexing, and ranking. First, search engines use little programs called crawlers or spiders to discover publicly available web pages. These crawlers follow links from page to page, gathering information. Next is indexing. After crawling, the search engine stores and organizes all the information it found in a huge database called an index. Think of it like a giant library for the internet. Finally, there's ranking. When you type something into the search bar, the engine sifts through its index to find the most relevant results and then ranks them based on hundreds of factors to give you the best possible answers. Our goal with SEO is to make sure the search engine sees our site as a top-quality, highly relevant result for the right searches. The foundation of good SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines. To succeed, you need to know what your audience is searching for. There are two main types of keywords: short tail and long tail. Short tail keywords are broad, like shoes. They get a lot of searches, but are very competitive. Long tail keywords are more specific, like best running shoes for flat feet. They have lower search volume, but are much less competitive, and the person searching usually knows exactly what they want. This is called search intent, understanding the why behind a search. Are they looking to buy something, find information, or navigate to a specific site? Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush can help you find these keywords and understand their search volume and difficulty. Start by brainstorming topics related to your business. Then use these tools to find specific keywords your potential customers are using. Once you have your keywords, it's time for on-page SEO. This is all about optimizing the individual pages of your website. First up, title tags. This is the title that appears in the search results and on the browser tab. It should be compelling and include your main keyword. Next, the meta description. This is the short snippet of text under your title in the search results. While it doesn't directly impact ranking, a good meta description convinces people to click on your link. Make it a mini advertisement for your page. Then you have header tags like H1, H2, and H3. These structure your content, making it easier for both readers and search engines to understand. Your main title should be in H1, with subheadings as H2 and H3. Your URL structure should also be clean and descriptive. A URL like yourwebsite.com/blue-running-shoes is much better than yourwebsite.com/product-ID-123. And most importantly, create high-quality content. Your content should be original, useful, and satisfy the user's search intent. Great content is what earns you top rankings. Now let's talk about off-page SEO. This refers to actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings. The biggest factor here is link building. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours. Search engines see backlinks as votes of confidence. If a reputable website links to you, Google sees your site as more trustworthy and authoritative, which can boost your rankings. So, how do you get these valuable backlinks? One common strategy is outreach. This involves reaching out to other website owners, bloggers, or journalists in your industry and showing them your content. If they find it valuable, they might link to it. You can also write guest posts for other blogs, which often includes a link back to your site. Building a good backlink profile takes time and effort, but it's one of the most powerful things you can do for your SEO. Next, we have technical SEO. This might sound intimidating, but the basics are quite straightforward. Technical SEO is about ensuring your website's foundation is solid so search engines can crawl and index it without any issues. One of the most important factors is website speed. If your site takes too long to load, visitors will leave, and search engines will penalize you. You can use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to check your site's speed and get recommendations for improvement. Another key element is mobile friendliness. More than half of all web traffic now comes from mobile devices, so your website must look and work great on a smartphone. Google uses mobile-first indexing, which means it primarily looks at the mobile version of your site for ranking. Finally, you should have an XML sitemap. This is a file that lists all the important pages on your website, making it easier for search engines to find and crawl your content. So, you've implemented all these strategies. How do you know if they're working? You need to measure your success. Two essential free tools from Google for this are Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Google Analytics tells you everything about the traffic on your website. You can see how many people are visiting, where they're coming from, and what they do on your site. A key metric to watch is organic traffic, which is the traffic that comes from search engines. If this number is going up, your SEO efforts are paying off. Another metric is the bounce rate, which is the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing only one page. A high bounce rate might indicate that your content isn't matching their expectations. Google Search Console, on the other hand, gives you insight into your site's performance specifically in Google Search. It shows you which keywords are bringing people to your site, your average ranking for those keywords, and if there are any technical issues Google has found with your site. Regularly checking these tools is crucial for refining your SEO strategy. To wrap things up, let's do a quick recap. SEO is about making your website more visible in search results. It starts with understanding how search engines work and doing thorough keyword research to find what your audience is looking for. Then, you optimize your site with on-page SEO, like crafting great titles and content, and build authority with off-page SEO through backlinks. Don't forget the technical basics like site speed and mobile friendliness. And finally, track your progress with Google Analytics and Search Console to see what's working. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and continuous learning, but the results are more than worth it. You are now equipped with the fundamental knowledge to start your SEO journey and climb those search rankings. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one.